Alright, today we're learning how to do a CMA for the progress reports for Middle Tennessee. We're currently in Rural Tracks right now. We're doing the property on Walnut Bend. So either first you can go ahead and put the address into the map section. So you're under map right here, and then you put the address in here, and you have to make sure to put Brentwood, the city and the state. So Brentwood, Tennessee. And then you hit this right here to search. And it pops up where that star is over here. So you move that over to be in the middle. And then you'll want to do a mile radius, or we might do a 2-mile radius. So this is the radius, this is to draw, and this is a rectangle. So we'll do the radius, and you have to click on the star around the property. You can move it around. So I believe if it was bigger, it would show how many miles, but it's not. We'll just put a mile. I think that one's a mile. So you're going to put the list price of $550,000 to $600,000. So we're using a $50,000 bracket for the price range. And then we're also going to do all actives under contract and enclose last 90 days, last 3 months. And we hit search. So we have 39 properties. Then we're going to look at the list. So it's going to list all the properties. I'm going to click it. One, two, three, four, five, six that's closed in the last 3 months. Then we're going to do the actual CMA that shows like how many actives, pendings, how many days on the market, you get more. And this is the CMA report. So if you go to the bottom, it's going to show the average day on the market is 12. $49, $32, $30. I wouldn't do that because he'll probably be like, why does that only say 12? Because that just might be for the ones that have sold.
Yeah,
but we should
closed.
What we should do is do them all together, because these are all been on the market. So you can do 30, 49, 32, 12. So what you can do is add them all up. To get the accurate one. So we have 12 plus 32 plus 49 plus 30 equals 123 divided by 4. So it's 30 days is the average. On the other one, it shows you for all of them what the average is. On this one, it doesn't. Yeah. And it doesn't say how many. So to me, I think the other one's better. But you're going to have to count these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 active. Can you write that down for me? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Sorry, 17 under contract. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 closed. So you got to think, why are these all selling and his isn't? Let's see what price ranges they are in. Yeah, so you have $5.99. His is at $37.81, and that's $5.79. So we're in a good price range. So let's look at his. His is priced at Walnut Bend, $153 a square foot. So at $149, the average is like $164. So we're below average and we're like right in the medium. So we're not like overpriced. I think it's just finding, and we're getting showings. We just need to get an offer. We have these at $133, but they're a lot larger. So the higher you are square footage, the lower price per square footage.
Interesting.
Yeah. And so his is at 37, so the one's at 38, like that one's 156, 173. This one's 178. So I think he's good. I don't know. That one's priced the same. I'm going to actually send this to him just because he can look. Share.
And where did that show you?
Bigger.
How many days it's been on the market? Or does that not show you? You just add it up?
It showed it for each one for active under contract.
Okay,
and then
that's what you
sold, and I added up each of them, and then divided it by 4 to get the average of them 4. Let's see, clay. Copy. Okay, so we'll update that, and then I'll let you do the showing part of it.
I already did. It should be on there already.
Did
Where
you?
it says new
Nice.
underneath here, or the.
Nice.
So that's all done.
Okay, gotcha. I like that you put new on there.
I didn't put the make a contract because that already happened. That's the only one that's not on there.
So this is going down to 30. And then, how many homes for sale?
Active was 16.
And then how many?
17 was under contract. And then 6 were closed.
I think it went from 22 to 6.
And
I don't think I did 3 miles. I think we just did like a mile.
In this kind of thing, all of those other comments, does he really want to see all of the ones from way before and then scroll down to new? Or should, when we send it, especially since it's been so long, or should we just take some of them off? In other words, do you like it?
I like it being,
okay,
and that way they can always look back and say, okay, what is it, that we need to do? What has been the repeated feedback?
Okay.
Yeah, and it's changing. Like before it was outdated, and now it's more like, I don't know.
And there was lovely house. There was like,
Mm-hmm.
you said some of the new contracts, just bedrooms were too small or didn't have room for a pool.
Mm-hmm. There's just stuff you can't help. Yeah. So this is done. Current price. Do we update that, the 68 days, or should we look at that?
I don't remember. I don't think we did.
Oh, now it's 21 days when we relisted it. So I think 68 plus. So I took it off, and sometimes if you take something off and then put it back on, it's a brand new listing. It's all the hot sheets again. So it's kind of like a marketing strategy. And we did get an offer for like a week, but it didn't fall through.
And that was the one that they had to sell their house. Was that the same house? No, this was different. Can you show me where you went again?
To get the how many days in the market?
How many days?
Yeah, because we're not recording anymore, are we? Let's see. We're still recording. Okay. So you're going to go to the properties for 1085 Walnut, and you go to the very bottom. So Shreveport's the very top, but here is the very bottom.
Oh, interesting.
Right here.
Okay.